Hi friends, my name is Ashwani Kumar and welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to see the DRDO graduate apprentice post, and it is a direct interview. There is no written test and all. So before going into the details and all, if you are not yet subscribed the channel, then please do subscribe and then click on the bell icon. Then you are going to get all such type of notifications to your mobile phones immediately. And now while coming to the present content of the video, it is official notice given by the DRDO, that is DFRL, Defense Food Research Laboratory, under the Ministry of Defense, Government of India. Walk-in interview for engagement of graduate and technician diploma apprentices. So DFRL Mysore, a premier institute under the aegis of Defense Research and Development Organization, is in process of engaging of graduate and technician apprentices. So it is a 1-year training in the following disciplines will be provided. And the graduate apprentice, the essential qualification is BE or BTech in mechanical engineering, or else BSc in food science or BTech in food technology or food processing. And here the monthly stipend is 9,000 rupees. And coming to the technician diploma apprentice, for this one, the diploma in electrical engineering, mechanical, hotel management or catering technology, refrigeration, plastic technology and food and nutrition, instrumentation, baking technology and the food processing. And for this one, the monthly stipend is 8,000 rupees. The selection will be based upon the walk-in interview to be held at DFRL on 13th November 2020. So the candidates who are having the enough qualification for this one, so you may directly go for the walk-in interview on the 13th November 2020 at the DFRL itself. And the application procedure, so the application form can be downloaded from the website, and eligible candidates may send their duly completed applications in PDF in single file attachment as per format through the email before the walk-in interview. So before going into the interview, that you have to mail the application form to this mail ID, and the application filled by hand will be summarily rejected. So you should not fill up the application form by hand, and the last date for receipt of application forms by email is the 14th October 2020. Okay, and the copy of duly filled form should also be brought along with the complete biodata on the date of the interview. So these are the details regarding this one, and here the venue is given: DFRL compound, Siddhartha Nagar, Mysore. And the electronics item like the mobile smartphones and all these things should not be, will not be allowed in the campus. And the terms and the conditions are also given. The fresh pass out candidates 17, 18 and 19 only can apply. Candidates who have passed the qualifying examination earlier than 2017 are not eligible. And the candidates with post graduation are also not eligible to apply. Okay. And the period of training will be 12 months commencing from execution of the contract of the apprenticeship. Okay, and so that means that 12 months apprenticeship will be there, and there is no TADA will be provided. And actually it is a very good opportunity because if you got the training here itself, and in future there is a chance of getting the job in the DRDO or whatever the corresponding departments mentioned here, okay, or else in the DFRL. So the candidates who are having the enough qualification, please try to apply, and whatever the application procedure I mentioned or else in the notification mentioned here, so please follow the procedure. Okay, and before ending this, if you are not yet subscribed the channel, then please do subscribe and share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows, so please listen guys. Hi guys, my name is Ashwani Kumar and welcome to my channel. This video is specially for the candidates UGC NET Electronic Science. So the people who are going to write the exam in this 5th November 2020, here the Unacademy is providing the crash course that is titled as Crash Course on Electronic Science through Multiple Choice Questions. This course is going to start from October 1st onwards, and by this month end, the course is going to be finished. And by the starting of the November month, you will be ready with the class PDFs, and all the 10 units will be explained in brief. That means the important concepts, formulas, points, definitions, expressions, all these things we are going to discuss in this crash course, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the JRF in this 2020 guys. Okay, so apart from this one, the Unacademy is also providing the full course or else a complete course for the electronic science who are planning to write the exam in the upcoming months or the upcoming years. So here the different subscription plans are there. that is 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months and 24 months. So out of all these months, if you want to take the crash course, then you may prefer this 1 month, or else if you are planning to write the exam in the upcoming months, you may take the 3 months, 6 months, 12 months or the 24 months. But if you are planning to take the subscription plans, then use my referral code, that is Ashwini K. Then you will get the 10% discount on any one of the subscription plan. Okay. So apart from these plans here, before going to take all these things, first of all, refer to my Unacademy profile link. Okay. So in my profile link, that I will provide this link in the description box of this video. So if you once enter into my profile link, then you may check down. That means here the special classes are available. Special classes are the free to everybody. Okay, so just click on the see all. Then whatever the special classes I took, that means the free classes I took, that all these classes you can access, guys. Okay. So career opportunity with UGC or non-UGC NET electronic science, and regarding the previous year questions, here the 2017, 2018, July and December 2018, and the June and December 2019, all these questions are discussed here, and these classes are completely free. Okay, so first check the way of explanation whether you are understanding here or not, and then you prefer the subscription plans, guys. Okay. So it is the update that I want to provide to the candidates belongs to the UGC NET electronic science. And for more updates, please subscribe the channel, and after subscribing tap the bell icon, and please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are going to give the exam for the UGC NET electronic science. Thank you, guys.